Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Mumu Player not moving in Roblox. So step 1, check key mapping. First, open Mumu Player and launch Roblox. If your character won't move, the issue is usually with key mapping. Click the keyboard icon on the right panel. Make sure W, A, S, and D are set up correctly. If not, manually drag the joystick icon to your movement area and assign keys again. Don't forget to save and exit key mapping mode. Step 2, enable keyboard control. Still not working? Make sure the keyboard control is enabled. Look for the hand icon or keyboard, toggle on the side menu, click it on. Sometimes it turns off by default and stops input. Step 3, check game settings. Another thing, some Roblox games don't fully support emulator input. Try entering another game to see if the movement works. If it does, it's likely just that game. Step 4, update or reinstall. If it's still stuck, try updating Mumu Player to the latest version, or uninstall and reinstall both Mumu and Roblox on the emulator. Outdated versions can cause movement glitch, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.